In this video, I'm going to show you how to attach a thingamabobber to your fly line. Take your line and pinch it so that it forms a point. Take that point and thread it through the eye of the thingamabobber. Take the loop and then wrap it around the body. Once on the other side, take the loop and turn it over so that it forms an X. Once the X is formed, pin the X to the base of the eye and then wrap the loop around back to the other side of the thingamabobber. When you've accomplished this, pull the line tight. This should secure everything. Notice when I pull the line against the thingamabobber stays in place and doesn't slide up or down the line. And this is how you secure a thingamabobber to your line. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, check out some of the other content on our channel. This has been Chris with Show Me the Hogs. Thanks for watching.